Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Story Podcast, the place where we learn real English through stories, connection, and shared humanity. I'm Hope.
And I'm Mark. Thank you for being here with us today. We know this episode's topic may feel heavy. So first, we want to say, however you're feeling right now, it's okay. You belong here.
Today, we're talking about something many of us experience but rarely practice in English: how to discuss difficult world events, like war, fear, and uncertainty, with calm, care, and humanity. We're not here to debate politics or take sides. We're here to give you words for your heart, phrases to express concern, solidarity, and hope when the news feels overwhelming.
Because language matters deeply in these moments. The words we choose can either deepen pain or offer comfort. They can divide or connect. And as English learners navigating a global conversation, having gentle, thoughtful language is a gift to yourself and others.
So today, we'll focus on three things. First, vocabulary for your own feelings when the world feels unstable.
Second, phrases to listen and respond when others share their pain.
And third, words of hope and humanity that remind us we're not alone. Let's begin gently.
Hope, would you share how you felt lately when watching the news?
Thank you for asking kindly. Honestly, some days the news has been hard to watch. I feel a mix of sadness, helplessness, and worry for people far away and for friends who are directly affected. It's a heavy feeling, like carrying something you can't put down.
Thank you for sharing that so honestly. And notice the language you used. The news has been hard to watch. That's a gentle, truthful phrase many native speakers use. It doesn't exaggerate, but it doesn't minimize either.
Yes, and I didn't say I'm devastated, which might feel too strong, or it's fine, which would dismiss real pain. I name the weight without drowning in it.
That balance is key. So let's share simple, honest phrases for describing difficult feelings without overwhelming yourself or others. It's been hard to watch the news lately.
I've been feeling uneasy about what's happening in the world.
It weighs on me.
Some days I feel helpless, like there's nothing I can do.
It's heartbreaking to see people suffering.
There's so much uncertainty right now.
I've been more quiet / anxious / thoughtful than usual.
These phrases are honest, but not dramatic. They invite connection without demanding rescue. And importantly, it's okay to say these things. You don't need to be strong all the time. Language gives us permission to be human.
Now, what if someone shares their pain with you? Maybe a coworker, classmate, or friend says, "I can't stop thinking about what's happening. I feel so sad." How do you respond with care?
First, listen without fixing. Many of us jump to solutions. Don't worry, it'll be okay. But when someone's hurting, they often need to be heard, not fixed.
Exactly. So instead of rushing to cheer them up, try these gentle response phrases. Thank you for sharing that with me. Acknowledges their courage.
That sounds really hard. Validates without judgment.
I've been feeling that way too. Creates connection, but only if true.
It's okay to feel this way. Gives permission to be human.
I'm here with you. Simple, powerful.
Would it help to talk more? Or would you prefer a distraction? Offers choice.
And avoid phrases that unintentionally dismiss.
Everything happens for a reason. Can feel empty when someone's hurting.
At least it's not happening here. Minimizes their concern for others.
You should be grateful it's not you. Shames empathy. Instead, honor their care. Concern for strangers is a sign of humanity, not weakness.
Let's role play this gently. Hope, imagine I say, I saw a news story about families displaced by conflict. I keep thinking about the children. It's been on my mind all day.
Thank you for telling me that. It sounds really heavy to carry. I've been thinking about that too, and it's heartbreaking. Would it help to talk about it a little more? Or would you like to shift to something lighter for a while?
I appreciate you asking. Talking helps. Just knowing I'm not the only one who cares.
You're not, and neither am I.
That exchange didn't solve anything, but it created connection. And sometimes that's what keeps us going.
Now, what about expressing solidarity with people affected by crisis? Many learners want to show care, but worry about saying the wrong thing.
A beautiful, simple phrase is, my heart goes out to everyone affected.
Or, I'm holding space for those who are suffering.
These show care without claiming to understand pain you haven't lived.
And if you want to support practically, I donated to a relief organization today. It felt like a small way to help. Or simply, I've been learning about what's happening so I can be more informed.
Important note, you don't need to have all the answers. Saying, I don't know what to say, but I care, is more honest than pretending you have solutions.
Yes. And if you're from a region experiencing difficulty right now, first, we see you. Your feelings are valid. Your safety matters most.
And if you choose to share in English, simple phrases carry weight.
Life has been difficult where I live.
I'm grateful for moments of peace when they come.
I'm trying to stay hopeful.
Thank you for asking how I am.
You never owe anyone your trauma. Share only what feels safe.
Now, let's talk about hope. Because even in dark times, humans reach for light. And English has gentle ways to name that reaching.
Yes, hope isn't about ignoring pain. It's about refusing to let pain be the whole story. Phrases like,
Even in hard times, I try to notice small kindnesses.
I believe people are fundamentally good.
I'm holding on to hope even when it's quiet.
Today I saw something beautiful, a child laughing, sunlight through leaves. It reminded me life continues. And collective hope? So many people are helping right now. Doctors, volunteers, neighbors.
History shows us humans can rebuild.
I choose to believe in our shared humanity.
These aren't naive phrases. They're acts of courage, choosing to see light without denying darkness.
Let's practice a full, gentle conversation. Imagine we're coworkers having coffee, and world events come up.
Okay, you know, I've been feeling a bit heavy this week. The news has been hard to watch.
I felt that too. Thank you for saying it out loud. It helps to know I'm not alone in that.
Yeah, it's heartbreaking, and I feel helpless sometimes.
That makes sense. It's a lot to carry. Would it help to talk, or would you like to focus on something else for a bit?
Just talking like this helps. Knowing someone else cares, it matters.
It matters to me too. And for what it's worth, I've been trying to notice small good things too, like how people donate or check on each other. It doesn't fix everything, but it reminds me we're not all alone in this.
Thank you. That actually helps.
Anytime.
That conversation didn't solve global problems, but it created a moment of shared humanity. And those moments matter.
They do. Now, important reminder. You don't have to discuss difficult topics if you're not ready. It's okay to say,
I appreciate you asking, but I need to focus on lighter things today.
your emotional safety comes first, always. And if you're learning English while living through difficulty, be gentle with yourself. You're doing something brave, carrying your story across languages. That takes strength most people will never understand.
So let's gather the key phrases you can keep in your heart for your own feelings.
The news has been hard to watch.
I've been feeling uneasy.
It's heartbreaking.
There's so much uncertainty right now.
I feel helpless sometimes, and that's okay.
For listening to others,
Thank you for sharing that.
that sounds really hard.
I'm here with you.
It's okay to feel this way.
For hope and humanity,
My heart goes out to everyone affected.
I choose to believe in our shared humanity.
Even in hard times, I notice small kindnesses.
And one more thing, silence is also language. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can offer is quiet presence, sitting with someone without words. That too is communication.
Now we want to invite you gently to practice if you feel ready. In the comments below, you might share,
A small kindness I noticed recently was blank. A phrase that helps me feel less alone is blank.
or simply, today I needed to hear blank.
Only share what feels safe. There is no pressure. And we will respond to every comment with care because you matter.
If this episode resonated with you, please subscribe to English Story Podcast. We create gentle, human-centered English lessons every week because language should connect us, not divide us.
And if today was heavy, be kind to yourself tonight. Watch something light. Call someone you love. Rest. You don't have to carry the world alone.
However you're feeling, however the world feels right now, you are not alone. And your voice in any language matters.
Thank you for trusting us with this conversation. Keep speaking with kindness. Keep listening with your heart. And keep believing in connection, in care, in each other.
Bye, everyone, with care